I want to talk to you about this pineapple real quick. I've been trying to grow pineapple plants. Right now we're in the process of canning potatoes. Click the link at the end of this video to see about canning potatoes. We're also in the process of remodeling the kitchen, so ignore all that and look just at this right here, the pineapple. I went to the store and got this thing, and I want to show you what it looked like. Here's a yellow pineapple, here's a green pineapple. Now that green pineapple is what you want to get to do what I'm about to show you. That green pineapple is ready to plant in the ground. You'll also want to not get one that has leaves missing from the middle. You can see this one right here. It's got all kinds of leaves, and I'm testing to make sure that it's solid in there. These leaves are good and ready to go, and you can see here, this thing looks fantastic. Now, it's very scientific, people, on how we do this. We grab this firmly like this and twist. Now, I've done this several times. I've tried where you cut off the top of the pineapple and try to get it to grow that way. I've never had that work for me, but I have had this work. Now this right here, it's a green pineapple. Needs to sit on the counter for a week or so before it's ready to go. Sorry, Ms. Bowtie, that drink is going to have to wait. She's trying to make a conch cooler, folks. That's a good drink. That goes on the counter. This right here, we're going to peel off a lot of these lower leaves. And you're going to take a little bit of time to pick these off very carefully, because this has got to go right in the dirt, people. And I'm going to peel off probably about an inch that. Last time I picked a pineapple that was too ripe, and I think it's going to fail. I don't think it was quite ready for life in that fashion. But I'm going to pick all these off of here, and then we're going to go stick this in the dirt. So I just pulled this out. I got the leaves off. You can see I left about an inch. I stuck it in there because I didn't know how long it was going to be. It was only about 2 minutes before I found a pot to put this in, and this is the pot. I put some soil in here. I've added some fertilizer to this. I put a little bit of citrus fertilizer in here, as well as the bumper crop balance feed that I won from Cali Kim on her show recently. If you didn't see her post, be sure and go set that. Go check it out. All this is going to do, we're going to stick this down in this soil as deep as I can comfortably, and it just needs to be able to stand up. That's it, folks. It just needs to be able to stand up, and it's going to need regular water, so I will be sure to be watering this in now, not just with that little bit. We're going to go out here and water it in some more, and I'll show you where I'm putting it. This is the one I did before off a riper pineapple, but if you look down in there, you can see there's actually new growth. I didn't notice that till just now. Very excited about that. I leave it here. There's an irrigation here. It gets watered every other day. Actually, it gets watered every day. The evening watering is a very short one. We got our pineapple here. It's nice and solid in the soil, and I water that in real good, and it will be fine. This thing should take off and start growing leaves within a month or so. This is my third pineapple I'm growing. I got one in the ground. I got this one here that actually is showing signs of new growth. I'm very excited about that, and this new one here that is going to be the latest addition to the collection. If you have a favorite crop you're growing, tell me what it is in the comments below. Please subscribe and go watch some of our other videos. We got lots of stuff going on in Bowtie Life. Have a blessed day.